Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we know about a new poem, Puppy and I. So, before going to start a poem, we start from starter kit. Here are some popular breeds of dog. Can you match the dogs with the name of their breeds? So there is a pictures of dog and then there is a names of dog. So you have to match the correct picture with correct breed of dog. So the first picture is Doberman. The first picture is Doberman. So you have to write Doberman is a breed of dog. Next second one boxer dog. Next second one boxer dog. Third one Pomeranian dog. Third one Pomeranian dog. Next pug dog. Pug pug dog. Next last one Alsatian dog. Alsatian dog. So Doberman, boxer, Pomeranian, pug dog and then Alsatian dog. So these are the breeds of dog. Next, now read and enjoy. First I read the poem and then explain you children. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by down to the village to get bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met some rabbits as I went walking. We got talking, rabbits and I. Where are you going in your brown fur coats? I said to the rabbits as they went by. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. So this poem was written by A. Milne. So children, here there is a boy. He was talking with a man, dog and rabbits also. So first, I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. So he was telling to you he want to walking. Then he meet a man one day. Then he was talking with man. Then he was, where are you going to, man? I said. So here the boy said to man, where are you going? Okay. Next, I said to the man as by went. So he was went passing by the boy. So on the sudden the boy was asking, where are you going to, man? So the man was replying to the boy, down to the village to get bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. So the man was replying to the boy, so I am going to down to the village to get some bread. Okay. So he was also asking a boy to, you also come with me. So the boy was telling, no, not. I am not coming with you. Next, I met some rabbits as I went walking. We got talking, rabbits and I. So then after talking with the man, a boy was met some rabbits. So see in this picture there are some rabbits. Then he was going to talk with a rabbit. Then the boy was asking, where are you going in your brown fur coats? So here fur coats means the rabbits was a brown color. So he was asking like that, where are you going in your brown fur coats? So here the rabbit was holding a kind of bag to get something. So down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? No, not I. So here rabbit was replying to the boy, down to the village. So rabbit was going down to the village to get some food. So he is also asking, will you come with us? So the rabbit was asking the boy as, will you come with us? to get some oats to the from the village. So the boy was said, no, not I am not come with you. So this is the day of your poem, children. Next two paragraph will you continue in the next class. Thank you. Read the poem.